Hi and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori. We are down to the last two packages that I have for you. Okay, so we're going to do the small one first. And if we don't run too much out of time, we might be able to put these two together. Probably not though. Anyway, these are this is IPSY Add-On. And I did just get this. It came last week. So today's Monday, December the 6th. And this came last week. And I'll tell you something, I was pretty excited about this one. This little pink puffy envelope, this mailer. Sometimes when it's coming from IPSY, doesn't always get me excited, but this one did. Now let's get to this. Okay, so this is my giveaway. Lord Almighty, this is my add-ons from IPSY that I'm pretty excited about. So I ordered those two masks that we received. We got these a couple months ago. Didn't we? I think in the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So it wasn't one of the Glam Bag X months. It was the Plus. And this is the BRTC Vitamin A Velvet Mask. That's this blue one right here. That is firming plus beta glucane by Clean Beauty. And then the other one is the B5 Velvet Mask, soothing and panthenol with Sika. I have no idea what Sika is, to be honest. But even more so, I have no idea what BRTC is. No clue. Be right back. Nope, because it says TC. Anyway, it's by Clean Beauty, and there is no CB, so I have no idea. I kind of looked into it a little bit just because I wanted to sound smart, you know, like I'm in the know. But no, I do not know. I know it's got to be something science-y, but I don't know. Then I ordered me two other masks because I'm getting into the Mask Monday. Now this past Mask Monday, which is today, the day I'm recording, not the day I'm uploading, but I was on sick leave, also known as vacation. So therefore, I did not post a Mask Monday. Anyway, these are by eNature. This is Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask. Okay, Squeeze Green. All right, now we're talking like this is like a salad. It's like a salad. Squeeze Green Watery Sheet Mask, and it's got lots of stuff in there. It's got stuff. I think this is the salad. And this one over here is the dressing. Skin Refresh Facial Mask, moisturizing and refining with kale, parsley, and chlorophyll. All right. Now this one here is Sika Herb by eNature. Restore Sheet Mask, Skin Relief Facial Mask, soothing and softening. Centella Asiatica extract. So this one is soothing and softening Centella Asiatica. It looks like that, but I don't know if it's coming out of my mouth the same way my eyes are seeing it. Extract. This is the stuff you make your salad dressing. This is the herbs. And then over here, you got your salad. You got your salad dressing. You get your salad. I don't know. I hope it makes my face feel good. They're 10 to 20 minute masks. And because I'm getting into my Mask Monday, it is forcing me to use masks on my face more than I was. So it's a good thing. It really is. Even though I don't have a job and I took sick leave because I had so much accrued, I was going to lose it. And then I got me two Ferro brushes. Why not? Because Ferro brushes are the bomb. These are very pretty though. They have like that. It's like bluish gray. Look at and they're the double-headed ones. Conceal and Set. So pretty. Really are so pretty. It's a little dense. And this one, because it's flatter, more square. So which one do you think? Which one's Conceal and Set? That's your setting brush. Sillies. And another double-headed duo head. This one here is the blush and highlight. So there's your blush brush and your highlight. Needs a little bit, needs a little trim. There's a couple right there. Just take your tweezers or just trim them. Your nose clippers, you know, or sometimes a good shampoo. Anyway, that's what I got. I got me a couple of sheet masks, 4 sheet masks, and these really pretty brushes. These are going to come in handy when we get to go on staycations again. So, all right, you guys, that's it. Don't forget. The NABLA Ruby Lights giveaway is, leave it in the comment section down below. Not in this video. Do not leave the answer in this video. This is not where you leave it. You go to TRENDMOOD, the TRENDMOOD video, and leave your answer there. And all the rules to the giveaway are in that one. And I'll go ahead and copy and paste and probably list them down below in this video as well, just so you guys don't put something in the comments that ends up getting your comment deleted by YouTube. If you put your Instagram handle or your email address, it's gone. YouTube will do it, not me. Anyway, you guys take care. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. Don't forget, head over to the TRENDMOOD video, watch it, listen carefully, read the giveaway rules, because I want to be able to get a hold of the winner. Okay? All right. Give this video a thumbs up right over there. Hit that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Christmas lights are